Hey guys, welcome back to my second devlog video. Now last time I told you that some of the features were remaining, of course, and today I have fixed those, well, not really problems with the missing features. I've put them in. So let's take a look at how the game runs, and then I will show you the code. So as you can see, my high score is 2 right now. And oh, oops, you saw that the player died and we have this whole death menu. I can restart, quit, and share. Now the code for the share button I will put in later. As of now, it's not doing anything. But if I was to hit restart, the game starts again, and there I'll shoot. This one you saw last time. Oh, I need to be quick. Okay. There we go. Jump and shoot. Shoot again. As you see, my high score is okay. I can pause the game. Wonderful. I'll resume and okay. When I pause, I can restart and I can quit. So if I hit restart, all right, so yes, some bugs I noticed. We will fix those very shortly, but the main thing to take away over here is that I have a successfully implemented pause menu and a death menu, a score system and a high score system which remembers your high score. All right, let's take a look at the code. So I have a UI manager over here which I created. This contains the gameplay UI. That means everything that you're seeing, the jump, shoot, and pause buttons, right? Then pause UI, which contains the resume, restart, and quit buttons, and the death UI, which contain restart, quit, and share buttons. All right. And I have a game manager here, keeping track of the score and the high score text. Going back to my Visual Studio, we have, as you may notice, 2 new classes, a game manager and a UI manager. So let's take a look at the UI manager first. So references to store our menus. I have a couple of methods over here which I created. So play game and quit game is quite obvious, I think. But I have this pause button method which is being called from the pause button. It stops the gameplay. Resume button, which, as the name suggests, resumes the gameplay. And on death is what happens when the player dies. So the death menu. It is pretty much straightforward, I think. But again, if there's something that you don't understand, or there's something that you feel may be done more efficiently, please write down in the comments and we will go through that. Okay, let's take a look at our game manager class. So references for our score text and high score text. Player score, high score. Now I'm using player prefs, as you can see, to store the high score, as it's one of the easiest ways to store data in Unity. Of course, there are much better ways, but one, they are much more complicated to implement, and I don't need such extreme methods. Okay, here we have an increase score method. So if the enemy is killed, you increment the score and then print it to the console. And then this method, display score, you actually update the increased score. And check for high score is if the player score is greater than the high score, then the high score becomes the player score, and then you set that value in your player prefs with this statement. Display high score does the same thing as display score. So it's simply putting this onto the UI. Because what good is a score or a high score if the players can't see it, right? In my update method, I am calling display score, check for high score, and display high score. And in my start method, I am calling the display high score, and of course, I'm also I'm getting the high score, which was previously attained. Okay, so far so good. And this is what I have so far. So now that I have implemented the base features all right, and yeah, I know not exactly all right because there was a bug which I spotted right now, which we will fix. My next target would be to start bringing in some models and animations. So that's what we're going to do next. We will replace the basic 3D, the basic shapes over here with proper 3D models. Yes, and yeah, that's what we're going to do. The next time I make this video and my next devlog, I will have proper 3D models implemented in the game. All right, thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you liked it. Hit the subs button if you loved it. Also, hit the bell notification so that, whenever I make more devlogs, you'll be notified about it. Okay, you can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Twitter. Links will be here in the description. Okay, thank you for watching once again. Have a good day. See you later.